Hello everyone, let's make some delicious chocolate chip cookies in the microwave today. I've taken a cup of coconut oil, set it in the fridge for some time to make it easy to work with. 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it until it's light and fluffy. Scrape the sides occasionally. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of date palm jaggery. You could also use some powdered sugar instead. Mix it well. Take 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 cup of wheat flour, atta. Combine it again. If you feel it's too dry, add in few tablespoons of coconut oil. That's 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt, 50 grams of roughly chopped milk chocolate compound, and 50 grams of chocolate chips. Mix all the ingredients well. Take a handful of dough and make a firm ball. Flatten it further to give it the shape of a cookie. Place it on the baking tray. Ensure some space in between. Preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius. When it's ready, place the baking tray inside the oven and now bake it for another 13 minutes or until it's light brown at 180 degrees Celsius. Once done, remove it from the oven. Let it cool before you relish it with your hot cup of tea or coffee.